Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Coleman cooler available, the Coleman Extreme 50-quart wheeled cooler. This cooler stands out with its remarkable ice retention, rugged portability, and thoughtful design features, making it an excellent companion for camping, beach trips, tailgating, or any outdoor adventure where keeping your drinks and food cold is a must. Starting with its core feature, the Coleman Extreme Cooler uses advanced extreme technology insulation. This means it can keep ice frozen for up to 5 days, even when the temperature climbs as high as 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're out on a long weekend or just want to avoid constant ice refills, this cooler offers impressive performance to keep your items cold and fresh longer than most others in its class. The cooler has a substantial capacity, holding up to 84 cans, which makes it ideal for larger groups or extended outings. This generous space means you can pack enough beverages, snacks, or perishables without worrying about running out of room. Despite its size, it remains relatively compact with dimensions of about 22.6 inches deep, 17.6 inches wide, and 17.5 inches high, allowing it to fit comfortably in many vehicles. Transporting a fully loaded cooler can be a challenge, but Coleman has addressed this with durable, heavy-duty wheels designed to roll smoothly over a variety of terrains. From sandy beaches to gravel paths, the wheels make moving the cooler effortless. Paired with the telescoping handle, which extends for comfortable pulling and retracts for storage, you get excellent mobility that saves your back and makes handling easier no matter where you're headed. Another thoughtful design feature is the improved drain system. This leak-proof drain lets you empty melted ice water without tipping the cooler over. It's a practical upgrade that makes cleanup faster and prevents messes during or after your trip. Plus, the hard shell lid isn't just sturdy, it supports up to 250 pounds, doubling as a convenient extra seat. This "have a seat" lid is perfect for resting during breaks or gatherings around the campfire. On top of functionality, this cooler includes built-in cup holders molded into the lid. These deep cup holders help keep your drinks stable and reduce spills, which is always a welcome addition when you're outdoors. The lid's smoother, easy clean surface also wipes down easily, making maintenance quick and hassle-free. In terms of build quality, the cooler is made from durable plastic with robust insulation, ensuring long-lasting use and resistance to wear and tear. Plus, it is assembled in the USA and backed by a 1-year limited warranty, which speaks to Coleman's confidence in its craftsmanship. Overall, the Coleman Extreme 50-quart wheeled cooler combines capacity, durability, and clever features that make it a standout in the world of portable coolers. Whether you're planning a family camping trip, a beach day, or a tailgate party, this cooler will keep your beverages and food cold for days while offering easy transport and added convenience. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance cooler that can keep up with your outdoor lifestyle, the Coleman Extreme 50-quart wheeled cooler is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.